Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set games to run on a dedicated GPU in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is click on search and then type in graphics settings. So type in graphics settings and click onto it. Then from here where it says optimization for Windows games, make sure to toggle that on. Then the next step, we need to go to advanced graphics settings, click on the drop down, and then make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is also toggled on. Then from here where it says all your games or apps, go ahead and find your app. So for example, if I want to do World of Warcraft, I want to click on the drop down menu like so. And then where it says GPU preference, make sure to have high performance checked. So I've got high performance checked like so. Now, for whatever reason, if your game does not appear here, we need to scroll back up to the top of the page. And then we can add the Microsoft game or add the game from the Microsoft Store app, or we can add a desktop app to this list. So say if you've got a desktop app, you see games on your desktop, go ahead and click on add desktop app, and then go ahead and find that exe game to add to this list. And likewise, add Microsoft Store app, click onto that, and then choose the game like that. And then once your game has been added to this list, just go ahead and click on the drop down menu and make sure high performance is checked.